Hi friends, today we are at the beach to find things that start with the letter H. Arjun will help us.
Hi friends, you can see this is the harbor. H for harbor.
I want to drive, but I need a helmet. Let's go. These helmets are so shiny and colorful. H for helmet. What is this, Adi?
This is a hut house. H for hut. We can rest here for a while.
Look at this. Big red hydrant. H for hydrant. Kids, it's so bright and shiny. Let me create something here. It's going to be fun. Wow, this is a hole. H for hole. Now we can fill it up with water and watch it disappear. Today we saw so many things. H for harbor, helmet, hunt, hydrant, and hole. And now friends, let's learn how to draw the letter H. It's super easy and fun. Ready? Pull down. Now draw a line in the middle. Pull down. Congratulations! We learned how to draw the letter H. Now, let's go!
Now we have learned H. Let's learn I in the next part. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.